One Chevy Silverado engine can cross 400,000 miles on routine oil changes alone. Another has sent repair bills past $8,000 to roughly 600,000 owners who never saw it coming. The difference between the best and worst Silverado engines isn't horsepower. It is what ownership actually costs you years down the road. And the engine most buyers overlook might be the smartest one on this list. Lower sticker price can be tempting, especially when a new truck promises enough muscle for weekend adventures. One owner, drawn in by the 4.3-liter V6's budget-friendly appeal, found out what those savings really meant when it came time to tow his family's 5,500-pound boat. On paper, the Silverado's V6 claimed a tow rating close to 7,600 pounds, numbers that looked reassuring at the dealership. The engine strained hard. The tachometer hovered near 4,000 RPM, and the truck struggled to keep pace, hunting for gears and losing speed on every hill. Temperatures climbed, nerves wore thin, and what should have been a relaxing trip turned into a white-knuckle drive. The owner's story echoes across forums. While the 4.3-liter V6 can handle light loads, pushing it near its limits exposes a gap between advertised capability and real-world performance. That initial price break often comes at the cost of confidence when it matters most. A Silverado owner pulls into the shop, frustrated by a check engine light and a rough idle that started out of nowhere. The mechanic pops the hood and listens. A steady ticking sound gives it away. Within minutes, the diagnosis is clear. A collapsed lifter, one of the telltale failures in the 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management. This system was supposed to save gas by shutting down half the cylinders during easy driving, but the real-world payoff is modest, just 1 or 2 extra miles per gallon. Meanwhile, the risk is anything but small. Thousands of trucks, especially from 2014 to 2021, have faced the same fate. The repair bill is often between $3,000 and $8,500, especially when the damaged lifter takes the camshaft with it. Some owners try to dodge disaster with a $50 plug-in device that disables the system, but that only works if the lifters have not already started to fail. With around 600,000 trucks affected, this is not a rare problem. It is a costly gamble for anyone hoping to save a little at the pump. A diesel badge and a promise of 30-plus miles per gallon can sound like a winning ticket, especially for buyers who want both power and efficiency. But the 3.0-liter Duramax diesel in newer Silverados brings a different kind of challenge, one that often reveals itself long after the first fill-up. One owner, drawn to the impressive highway mileage, found himself making regular visits to the shop, each time for a new warning light or a fresh repair bill. The check engine light became a familiar sight, triggered first by a faulty coolant control valve at just 18,000 miles. The repair cost nearly $1,200, and the dealer mentioned it was a known issue on 2021 and 2022 trucks. Then came the diesel exhaust fluid system, called DEF, with top-offs at every oil change, sensor glitches, and a surprise $700 invoice when the system failed to reset. Fuel filters needed changing twice as often as the old V8, and each visit added another $200 or more. By the third year, General Motors issued a bulletin for 2025 models about a new engine rattle, with mechanics instructed to monitor for internal damage. For owners, the worry is not just the cost, it is the uncertainty. Most of these engines have not even hit 150,000 miles yet, leaving buyers to wonder if the savings at the pump are worth the gamble of unproven longevity and mounting maintenance bills. Fleet managers don't gamble with downtime, and their spreadsheets tell the real story. When a city public works department needs trucks that rack up 40,000 miles a year, the 4.8-liter Vortec becomes their go-to. This engine, found in Silverados from 1999 to 2013, gets the nod not for flashy specs, but for a track record that stretches well past 200,000 miles, sometimes even 300,000, on nothing more than routine oil changes, spark plugs, and the occasional belt. Parts are everywhere, and repairs rarely require a specialist or a long wait. A fleet supervisor flipping through maintenance logs sees what matters. The 4.8 liters annual upkeep costs are 20 to 30% lower than the bigger V8 engines with complicated tech. No active fuel management means no lifter failures or surprise check engine lights. Labor hours are predictable and the parts list is short: water pump, alternator, maybe a sensor or two. That is it. When something does break, it is usually a quick fix, not a budget-busting overhaul. Most of these trucks spend their days hauling equipment, making deliveries, or handling city routes. They do not need to win drag races or tow a house. What they do need is to start every morning and keep running until the job is done. The 4.8 liter delivers that year after year. For anyone looking at used Silverados, especially ex-fleet models, this engine's reputation for simplicity and low total cost of ownership stands out. It is the kind of reliability you can measure on the odometer, in the shop repair logs, and in the money that stays in your pocket. A Silverado sits in a gravel driveway, its odometer flashing a number that turns heads: 401,782 miles. The owner, a retired contractor, bought his 2004 half-ton new and never let it go. Under the hood, the 5.3-liter Vortec V8 still runs on its original internals. There is no cylinder deactivation, no turbo, no complicated electronics, just a simple pushrod V8 designed before active fuel management ever entered the picture. This truck's story is not unique in online forums. Owners swap tales of Silverados with 300,000, 350,000, even 400,000 miles, all with the same pre-2007 5.3-liter engine, and nearly all crediting the same recipe: regular oil changes, basic filters, and the occasional set of spark plugs. One owner jokes that his biggest expense was replacing the driver's seat, not the engine. For the do-it-yourself crowd, maintenance costs stay low. Oil and filters are cheap, and most repairs can be handled with hand tools and a Saturday afternoon. No specialty tools, no dealer-only parts, and no surprise sensor failures that sideline the truck for weeks. While newer engines chase fuel efficiency with complex systems, the old 5.3-liter Vortec keeps things refreshingly straightforward. No active fuel management means no lifter collapse or camshaft failures. When something does wear out, parts are everywhere, and the fix rarely breaks the bank. Even the timing chain, a big job on most engines, is known to last well past 200,000 miles without complaint. For buyers looking at used Silverados, these high-mileage survivors offer more than nostalgia. They prove that durability is not just a marketing slogan, it is something you can measure in hundreds of thousands of miles, with a maintenance log that is short and a repair bill that stays reasonable. In a world of ever-changing tech, there is real comfort in a truck that just keeps going. A Silverado owner with a 6.2-liter Ecotec 3 V8 hooks up a massive fifth-wheel camper, checks the mirrors, and heads for the interstate. There is no drama merging onto the highway, just a smooth surge of power and the steady confidence that comes from 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. Rated for up to 12,500 pounds of towing, this engine is built for the kind of jobs that leave lesser trucks gasping. Owners who regularly pull heavy trailers or boats praise the 6.2-liter for its effortless acceleration, even on steep grades, and the ability to pass slower traffic without breaking a sweat. While this engine is usually found in higher trims, the resale value often justifies the upfront cost, especially for buyers who plan to keep their truck for years. For those who truly need maximum towing muscle, the 6.2-liter delivers the kind of real-world performance and long-term value that makes it more than just a spec sheet champion. Some buyers want a Silverado that simply gets the job done. No drama, no surprises, just a solid truck that holds up to daily life. That is where the 5.3-liter V8 from 2011 to 2013 lands. This engine sits in a sweet spot. It is new enough to avoid the worst early active fuel management lifter problems, but old enough to dodge the more complicated systems that came later. Used market listings for these trucks usually fall between $15,000 and $25,000, depending on mileage and trim. Owner ratings back up the value. Kelley Blue Book gives these years a 4.5 out of 5, and reliability scores improved as GM refined the active fuel management system. Build quality on these late GMT 900 trucks is noticeably better than earlier runs, and most mechanics agree the major bugs have been worked out by this point. For buyers who want a Silverado that balances cost, power, and dependability, and who do not need the absolute latest tech, this generation stands out as a practical, proven choice. Every Silverado engine promises something different, but only a few truly deliver peace of mind. Today, reliability means more than glossy brochures or short-term savings. For real truck owners, the smartest buy is the one you can trust for years, not just miles. Choose wisely and drive on.